What is a fold flat ramp? Some wheelchair vehicles are fitted with a dual fold ramp. These ramps function just like a normal wheelchair ramp, which drop down to allow a wheelchair passenger on board. When a wheelchair passenger is not on board the vehicle, the ramp can be folded back into the vehicle to create a flat surface suitable for your shopping or luggage. Once the ramp is folded back into the vehicle, it can be used more like a regular van or car, and also improves the visibility out of the rear window for the driver. To browse our range of wheelchair accessible vehicles with fold flat ramps, visit our website at WavsGB.com.